Good evening, guys. Good evening. Now we are starting our today's lecture. Today we have the most awaited result for the first unit test. Then we have Menti Mahamenti. Then after that we have this lecture. Okay. Can you hear me? Please don't unmute yourself. New participants, please don't unmute yourself. Please comment it. Okay. So we are starting our class. And now we have the result of the first unit test, which was conducted yesterday. Okay. So how was it? I haven't valued your paper. The paper was valued by the teacher who takes heredity and evolution. How was your unit test? How was your unit test? Comment me right now. Super good. Okay, Shiga, Abhijit. Neha, okay, we are moving on to the most awaited result. Let's see. It's not in the order. The positions will be shown in the slide. The seventh position, Aryan Ocha with 11.5 marks. 11.5, 11 1 by 2. Aryan, are you here? Aryan, are you here? Hope he's not there. Okay, let's move on. The 10th position, Nishant Yadav with 5 3 by 4. 5 3 by 4. Nishant? Nishant? Okay, okay. The topper will be informed, guys. The topper will be informed. 8th position, Prachi. 8th position, Prachi with 9.75. That is 9 3 by 4 points. Guys, second position we have Sneha with 17 and 3 by 4 points. 17 and 3 by 4. Sneha, not there. Guys, whenever I call your name, if you are here, please comment yes. Okay. Okay, Sneha. 11th position we have Neha Kumari with 5 points. Neha haven't attended heredity and evolution part itself. Haven't touched that. Okay. 9th position we have Ruby Kumari with 8.75 points. 8 3 by 4. Third position we have Arihant Dubey with 17.5 marks. Arihant, 17.5 marks. Okay, very good. Ayush Gupta in the 5th position with 16.5 marks. Ayush, are you here? Okay. 6th position we have Arjun with 12.5 marks. 12.5. Arjun. 5th position, along with Ayush, sharing with Ayush, we have Vanshika with 16.5 marks. 16.5 marks. Answers will be discussed in a separate live lecture. Okay. Vanshika, are you here or not? 4th position, we have Abhijit K. Gaurav with 17 3 by 4 points. Abhijit with 17 3 by 4 points. And the most awaited first position. The most awaited first position. It's shared by 2 with 19 points. And it's Ishiga and Ankit with 19 points. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Good going, all of you. Congratulations to all the winners. All the winners. Very good. Congratulations. Next exam, you should score full marks. Okay. Next exam, you should score full marks. Okay. I will discuss the topics that you made wrong from life process in the next lectures. Okay. These are the winners. This is a winner list. Ankit, Ishiga, Ankit, Sneha, Arhant, Abhijit, Ayush, Vanshika, Arjun, Aryan, Prachi, Ruby, Nishant, Neha. Okay. If you need, please take a screenshot and please put it in our Telegram group. Please take a screenshot and put it in our Telegram group. And we have the episode 4 from Nutrition in Human Beings. Episode 4 from nutrition in human beings. Next exam will be conducted soon and will be informed. And this is what we have learned yesterday. Okay, our humans have a complex digestive system and it consists of alimentary canal and some axillary glands. These alimentary canal consist of esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus, salivary gland, liver and pancreas and the axillary glands that lie outside the alimentary canal. The digestive system comprises of the alimentary canal and the associated glands. Alimentary canal starting with the mouth or the buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Associated glands, salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, pancreas. All these we have learned. Okay, okay guys. Mouth or buccal cavity, the function of teeth and tongue. Different types of teeth, incisors, canines, premolars and molars. All these we have learned. Okay, is that okay? Hope to give you some notes as well today. Okay, some notes also should be given because more points, more and more questions are asked for your board exam. More and more questions. Guys, this digestive system diagram is very, very important. It's asked different times for your board examination to draw the digestive system. That is in 2010, 2012, 2011, 2008. All those years, this digestive system asked, diagram of digestive system was asked to draw. Okay. This also we have learned saliva, esophagus and peristaltic movement. Guys, what is peristaltic movement? I need the exact definition which I gave you. Don't send me privately. You should send it to everyone because new participants should also note it. Fast. Very less timing for us. Very less timing for us. I want the exact definition that I gave. Okay, Arhand, I will explain, but someone should comment it. The movement of food in food pipe. The exact definition that I asked you to write in your notebook. I shall say because time is very less for us. The wave-like movement of the esophagus. The wave-like movement of the esophagus. Anyone got it? The wave-like movement of the esophagus in order to push the food forward from mouth to the stomach. The wave-like movement of the esophagus in order to push the food from mouth to the stomach. In order to push the food forward from mouth to the stomach. Okay, we have stomach also we have discussed. Any doubts in these portions? Small intestine, any doubts? Small intestine has three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Duodenum, jejunum and ileum. It is a highly coiled structure. It is more than 6 meters. Okay, it is more than 6 meters. Guys, any doubts in these portions? Guys, any doubts? Okay, starting from liver and pancreas. Topic is starting from. Can you clear the last point? Which Ishiga? Which point? What was the last point? Tell me, surely I will explain it. Not yet told. Comment me right now. Ishiga, comment me. The parts of small intestine. Okay, Ishiga, surely I will explain after explaining this liver. So the largest human in our body, largest organ in the human body is said to be liver. So what is the largest organ in the human body? It is the liver. It manufactures an enzyme known as the bile. The enzyme present in liver is bile. Bile consists of two pigments. Bile consists of two pigments. Anyone know what are the two pigments? Anyone? Anyone? The two pigments? biliverdin and bilirubin. These are the two pigments. Biliverdin and bilirubin are the two pigments of bile. Biliverdin and bilirubin. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? The two pigments, write it. The two pigments of bile is in bile is biliverdin and bilirubin. The food gets stored in the gallbladder. So where is bile temporarily stored? Temporarily stored, not permanently. It is temporarily, just for some time. It is stored in the gallbladder, and it is released from the gallbladder when required. So temporal storage of bile occurs in the gallbladder. So bile consists of two enzymes, two pigments, biliverdin and bilirubin, and it is temporarily stored in the gallbladder. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. State the function of liver. Anyone, please state the function of liver. State the function of liver. It secretes, write it. It secretes bile juice. It secretes bile juice. That's a function of liver. It secretes bile juice. It secretes bile juice. Okay. Next organ is the pancreas. Guys, you are not at all active today. Not comment responding for any of my messages. Pancreas is situated below the stomach. It secretes the pancreatic juice, which contains many digestive enzymes. The pancreatic juice contains many digestive enzymes. Exactly, Arjun. That's a function of liver. So the liver secretes the bile juice, and the pancreas is a leaf-like structure. Look, this is the pancreas. The leaf-like structure located below the stomach secretes pancreatic juice that contains many digestive enzymes. Okay. Okay. Look this. Guys, for the first time, we have 16 participants in this meeting. Thank you for all the wholehearted cooperation and support. But one thing I want to say is that none are responding to my comments. Be active. Be active. So, small intestine. Small intestine contains certain enzymes. It contains the finger-like projections. Finger-like projections in the small intestine is known as anyone. Finger-like projection in the small intestine is known as finger-like projection in the small intestine is known as exactly Ishiga, villi, Ankit, correct. Arihan, alveoli is present in the lungs. Okay, alveoli is present in the lungs. So small intestine has finger-like projections known as villi. It helps in the absorption of food into the blood. So the finger-like projections, exactly Neha, the finger-like projections is known as small intestine. Small intestine receives secretion from liver and pancreas. Liver contains the bile juice. Liver contains the bile juice. Okay. Okay. Is it clear till now? Till now, is it clear? So pancreas contains intestinal enzyme. Okay. That breaks down certain components into certain components that we will learn. Small intestine has certain finger-like projections known as villi. It helps in the absorption of food into the blood. We told that this process of digestion has 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Okay, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. These are the 5 steps included. And this absorption take place in the small intestine. So villi is the finger-like projections in the small intestine that helps to absorb the food into the blood. Tomorrow, if I get time, I will show you some animated videos. Okay, some animated videos of this digestion. Small intestine receives villi increases the surface area for absorption. Exactly, Ishiga. Where milk is digested in the digestive system. Where milk is digested in the digestive system. It is digested in the stomach, Neha. By the help of an enzyme known as what? Renin. By the help of an enzyme known as renin. Is that clear, Neha? Milk is digested in the stomach with the help of an enzyme known as renin. Okay, the liver secretes the bile juice, and this bile juice is also poured into the small intestine, and this small intestine and this bile juice converts, and this what bile juice converts. The function of bile juice, we said that the function of liver is what? The function of liver is secretes. Guys, come in fast. Guys, come in fast. I need your active response. Where are you all? Yokesh, Abhijit, Arjun, Ishika, Neha, Prachi, Rajveer, Ritik, Ritika, Sneha. Prachi, why did you raise your hand? Okay, secretion of bile juice. Exactly. Secretion of bile juice. And the function of bile juice is that it converts large molecules of fat into small molecules. Large molecules of fat into small molecules. Okay, so this conversion of large molecules of fat, okay, into small molecules is known as emulsification. Emulsification. Okay, the conversion of large molecules of fat into smaller ones is known as emulsification. That is, the fat is converted into simple units called fatty acids, and glycerol, shown here. Fatty acid and glycerol. This process is known as okay, Ayush, you can leave, watch the YouTube lecture. This process of conversion of fat into fatty acid and glycerol is known as exactly, Ishika, emulsification. In the same way, okay, Sneha, in the same way, pancreas secretes an enzyme known as pancreatic juice. It contains another two enzymes, trypsin and lipase. The secretion of pancreatic juice is secretion of pancreas is pancreatic juice. It contains two enzymes known as trypsin and lipase. Okay, trypsin and lipase. And this trypsin converts proteins into peptones. All these are very, very important. Since you are learning it for the first time, it may be some difficult for you. In next class, it will be okay. Proteins are converted into peptones by the help of comment. Proteins are converted into peptones by the help of exactly trypsin. In the same way, bile juice also converts fats into fatty acid and glycerol. Fats are converted into glycerol also by lipase. Lipase also converts fats into glycerol. Okay. Now some questions. I don't know how much we can complete today. We are moving very slowly. Some questions you should answer by just looking at the screen. Comment me right now. The small finger-like projections in the small intestine is known as. The small finger-like projections in the small intestine is known as. Exactly, villi. Next question. The process of breakdown of fat globules into fatty acid and glycerol. Exactly. Emulsification. Emulsification is the answer. Okay. Two more question. How are fats digested in our body? How are fats digested in our body? Bile juice from the liver act on the fat. As I told you, Bile juice converts fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Okay. Bile juice converts fat into fatty acid and glycerol. So this bile juice from the liver act on the fat and break them into fatty acid and fatty acid and fatty acid and glycerol. Exactly. Glycerol. So name the enzyme that converts proteins into peptones. Proteins into peptones. Trypsin. Okay. Name the enzyme that converts fats into glycerol. Fats to glycerol. Lipase as well as bile juice. Lipase as well as bile juice. Bile consists of two pigments known as Arjun. Bile consists of two pigments. What are those pigments called? I told you to write in your notebook. I think none. Okay, okay, exactly. Biliverdin and bilirubin. Ankit, Abhijit, correct. Biliverdin and bilirubin. Okay. Moving on to the next page. I hope this is clear. Okay. Look this. Bile and pancreatic juice go into the duodenum through a hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct. So this bile and pancreatic juice enters the duodenum. Duodenum means it is the first part of the small intestine. Someone asked me to explain those parts of small intestine. You will provide the pics of slide or not. We will try, Arihant. We will try. So listen carefully. We have limited time. We should do quiz as well today. That's why. So we might stop today. Let me explain this last and final point. Small intestine consists of three parts. Small intestine consists of three parts. Duodenum, jejunum or ileum. Duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Do you need the spellings or you know? Do you know the spellings or you want me to provide? Look, this last point. The small intestine is divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Okay, exactly. All these are the three parts. So guys, we might stop today. If we complete two more or three more portions, our digestive system will be over and we should start respiratory. But what happened? We should do the Slido. Slido is a new platform where we are doing quiz today. Please stay updated with our Telegram group. You will get some notifications on how to join. How I will also explain to you or to how to join the Slido. Guys, go to Google and search slido.com. Go to Google and search slido.com. Okay. Code will be displayed now to join. Code will be displayed now for you all to join. So go to Google, write it slido.com and use the code 12925. 12925. And we are activating the quiz. Join the quiz right now using the code 12925. Oh my God. Ankit, Ishika, Arjun, all try to join. All the 16 participants. I don't know how many participants are remaining. 13. Join right now. Arihan, Nishant. I think 15 questions are there. Can we start? Can we start? Can we start? Okay. Okay, okay. Which of the following are energy foods? Carbohydrate and fat, proteins and mineral salt, vitamins and minerals, water and refuge. Vote fast. Vote fast, guys. And your time's up. Let's check the poll rate. 63% students voted it as carbohydrate and fat. 13% proteins and minerals, mineral salt. 25% vitamins and minerals. This same question was asked for Menti, and most of you have answered it as proteins and mineral salt. However, I corrected that energy rich foods are carbohydrate and fat. Okay, bodybuilding proteins, vitamins and minerals, micronutrients needed in very small amount. Let's move on. It's the correct answer, option A. Oh, look the second question. In which mode of nutrition an organism derives its food from the body of another organism, living organism, without killing it? Saprophytic organ nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition. Only 3 seconds more. The poll rate before you. Parasitic nutrition, 15 students have voted it, 56 students have voted it, and it's the correct answer. Leaderboard only after 3 questions. Third question on the screen. The mode of nutrition found in fungi: parasitic, holozoic, autotrophic, and saprotrophic. Saprotrophic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, holozoic nutrition, parasitic nutrition. Only 3 seconds. And the poll rate before you. 44 students voted as parasitic mode of nutrition and 33 voted as saprotrophic mode of nutrition. And the correct answer is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. That is, you can see the growth of fungi only on the dead and decaying organism. Also, parasitic is also there. But most common seen mode of nutrition of fungi is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. Let's have the first leaderboard of the day. We have Ishika in the first position. Second, Ritik. Third, Yokesh Raj. Fourth, Vanshika. Fifth, Arihant. Ishika, Ritik, Yokesh Raj, Vanshika, Arihant. We should move fast. Only 6 seconds remaining. I don't know we could be able to complete this Slido. Roots of the plants absorb water from the soil through the process of diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, none of these. Diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, none of these. Only 3 seconds more. Okay, Neha. The correct answer is osmosis. The correct explanations will be given in the next class because we should complete this quiz now. Only 5 minutes. The site of photosynthesis in the cells of a leaf: chloroplast, mitochondria, cytoplasm, protoplasm. Chloroplast, mitochondria, cytoplasm, protoplasm. The site of photosynthesis in a leaf. Site of photosynthesis in a leaf. In the cells of a leaf. And the poll rate. The correct answer is chloroplast. Good children, good. 80% voted it chloroplast and 20 cytoplasm. Very bad. Cytoplasm is not at all the answer in any connection with that question. In amoeba, food is digested in the form of, sixth question, food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. In amoeba, food is digested in the food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. Only 4 minutes remaining. And the poll rate before you. The correct answer is food vacuole. Let's have the second leaderboard of the day. We have Ritik in the first position. Second, Yokesh Raj. Third, Ishika. Fourth, Vanshika. Fifth, Sneha. Good going, guys. Good going. Seventh question. Which of the following events in the mouth cavity will be affected if salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva? Starch breaking down into sugars, protein breaking down in amino acid, Absorption of vitamins, fats breaking down into fatty acid and glycerol. Fat breaking occurs in the small intestine. Okay. Okay, 67 voted. It has option A and it's the correct answer. Eighth question. Which region of the alimentary canal absorbs the digested food? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. We have stopped in that portion. Absorption took place in, or absorption takes place in which part? Exactly, small intestine is the correct answer. Ninth question. The contraction and expansion movement of the walls of food pipe is called translocation, transpiration, peristaltic movement, and digestion. Peristaltic movement, and it's the correct answer. The leaderboard, third leaderboard of the day. We have Ritik in the first position, second Ishika, third Ankit, fourth Yokesh Raj, fifth Vanshika. Only 2 minutes remaining. We will not be able to complete this. When a few drops of iodine solution are added to rice water, the solution turns blue-black in color. This indicates that rice water contains fats, complex proteins, starch, simple proteins. Come on, guys, come on. And starch is the correct answer. This indicates that rice water contains starch. The excess of unabsorbed food material is regulated by liver, anus, small intestine, anal sphincter. Liver, anus, small intestine, anal sphincter. Only 1 minute remaining. We have 4 more questions along with 2 leaderboards. Anal sphincter is the correct answer. Only 30% have voted it. All those portions I will teach you. Name the pores in the leaf through which respiratory exchange of gases take place. Lenticels, vacuoles, xylem, stomata. Fast, fast, fast. We should complete 3 questions in 1 minute. Exactly, stomata. Final leaderboard will be shown. Raw materials used in the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Glucose, starch, fructose, proteins, fats, carbon dioxide, water, hydrogen, and oxygen. You have less than 1 minute. Anyway, do hit the like button. So share this video with your friends. Subscribe our YouTube channel. BioPoint, stream the world of bio. Okay. Option C is the correct answer. Photosynthesis is trapping energy of sunlight to form glucose, synthesis of photosensitive compounds, oxidation of glucose, oxidation of carbon dioxide. And 67% voted the correct answer. The last and final question. Green pigment used in photosynthesis is phytochrome,